Welcome back, everybody. I hope you enjoy these latest clips from the last month. The deer like to go under the gate right here, so it's funny. I caught one on video doing that. I wonder if that little deer is that doe's fawn from last year. The next day it got really windy and it pushed over the trail cam. So see what happens here. I was taking a picture of the ground and somebody came over to investigate. We keep our 2 cats in this building at night, and every morning the cats have been scared to come out of the building, so we've been wondering what predator has been lurking about. And so I got this, looks like a stray cat that came by, but I think there must be something else that really scared the cats one morning. They didn't even want to come out of the house. We have another deer that had twins, so it's the time of year when all the new babies are being born. I was wondering what I would find behind the barn, and so far just found some deer and birds flying around. Join me in these videos here at the end to see some other trail cam videos. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.